Good morning, this is Professor Hammond from Principles of Management, and I just wanted to follow up about an assignment that's due next Thursday. It is the article critique video review, and I have had some questions about how to find articles and what kind of article I need to find, so I thought I would do a quick tutorial on the best way to find this for you guys. So if you go to the library.cornerstone.edu website, the easiest way to get to the database that I like to use is just to simply click on databases from the main page, and then the second option down is the ABI-INFORM database. This is the main business database. I think it's a great one. So if we click on ABI-INFORM, it brings us to a search here. And I already have this typed in, but you could do anything here. So you can type in management, and if you want to add another term in to kind of pare it down, I just put organizational culture. This could be innovation, this could be controlling, this could be motivation, this could be nonprofit, sports, if you want to think about sports management. Whatever area that you want to focus on. I mean, if you just look at the table of context in your management book, that'll give you a good summary of some big topics that you could do to narrow it down. Make sure you have these two boxes clicked, full text and peer reviewed. That will be helpful for your search, and then we're going to complete our search. And as you can see, this is a large amount of results. We have 83,000 results. And they do this by relevance. We can sort by a lot of different things. And as you scroll down, you can start to see, oh, maybe there's one of these that might be interesting. But also, you could pare it down even more by a couple of different things. You could pare it down by subject. So here on the side, maybe I want to look at just corporate culture. So that would pare my search down. And then I also would prefer it to be a relatively new article. So I can slide this bar over so that I'm just seeing the more recent publications. Well, now I'm down to 329 results, which is still a lot, but at least that gets you down to perhaps some more recent articles about this topic. So I'm going to look at this one right here. We have the impact of perceived corporate culture on organizational commitment. Maybe that's an interesting one for me to look at. That might be probably pretty good. Or toward a better understanding of the relationships between received wisdom, groupthink, and organizational ethical culture. That might be a good one. The goal of this is just to get you into these databases so you can start understanding what the research looks like here. So I'm just going to click on this. I like looking at the full text PDF because then I can save it, I can print it from here. Sometimes it takes a little bit to open it up. Well, there it is. And this article, we can kind of see how long this one is. Scroll down. So this one, minus all the citations, it's about 13 pages. So that's about a typical length for one of these articles. So then you would go ahead and read it, and then in your video critique, you have 3 minutes to just briefly summarize what the article was about. Tell me the name of the article, what the article was about, if you thought how you thought the author did in writing it. So a little bit of a critique, like this made sense, this part was confusing, there was too much information on this one topic. And then the last part would be looking for an application point. So pull out something that you could apply to either something that you're going to do in the future, the study of management, or something related to your current situation too. Maybe I would look at, groupthink. Maybe this is an interesting topic because maybe I can look at my group projects that I'm in this semester and see how I can, how groupthink works within my group. Maybe that's an application point. and then you post that to Moodle by next Thursday. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of more guidance on where to find the articles that I'm looking for you to use for this assignment. If you have more questions, please send me an email and we can walk through it individually.